Hi there, this is Teresa Wells. I recently saw a graphic and an article from Education Week that cites big three factors for successful remote classrooms. They consist of ratio of teacher talk to student talk, rigor in quality of tasks students engage in, and heavy lift. Who does the work, students or teachers? And they are all bounded by authentic, caring relationships. Here's how I address all four of these in a standard 1-hour math block. I begin with successes and celebrations. Whether you're doing math with kindergartners, third graders, eighth graders, or even adult math teachers, there's a great place for them to build classroom community through successes and celebrations. Because it's an empty space, everyone can have a voice. Even if you don't have the time to call on every single student, they can make their voice heard on the slide and communicate back and forth with each other. Let's consider ratio of teacher talk to student talk. Because I teach online, it is very easy for me to record my sessions, and I simply look back at my sessions, at the sound bars, to see who's doing most of the talking. I can analyze them by moving my slider and noticing that my talk is heavy in the beginning. There's even some wait time or nobody is talking. And then it's a back and forth between me and my students during the work time. During the discussions, I start off the questioning, but the students are the ones who are answering questions and posing new questions as they engage in the math talk. Next is rigor and the quality of tasks students engage in. I like to use rich tasks that have multiple entry points so that students of all mathematical levels can engage in the problem and bring something to the group. In this example, students are looking at sharing a favorite candy, M&Ms, but there are many more examples that I share on my website at teresawells.com/matherdays. These examples range from kindergarten through calculus. Finally, who does the heavy lifting, the teachers or the students? Here is the example of the slideshow for a 1-hour math block. There is space built in for successes and celebrations. There is a math routine and lots of blank space for my students to show their thinking. Then there's a rich task, followed again by lots of blank space for the students to show their thinking. Now let's take a look at the completed slideshow for the end of the class. You'll notice successes and celebrations are filled. There are lots of potential answers to the math routine. In this case, it was determining the proportions of different Pokemon. And then underneath the task, you'll notice that students have filled the space, and there's even arrows that showcase what was happening during our math talk. That's my evidence of students being the ones who are doing the thinking and the heavy lifting. For more tips, check out my website, teresawells.com. I host a free Math PD every Saturday at noon Eastern, where we engage in a 1-hour math block just like this. In addition, there's recordings, blank slide templates, and completed slide templates of these Mather Day tasks, so you can see the full hour in action. I also include lots and lots of templates, which are places for students to show their work, and it's very noticeable by their empty appearance. Thanks for watching.